real muddy right in here.
No, so the pump guy actually stays there for the whole time and pumps it?
No.
What, he's just showing him? She's built lots of stuff. There's a bunch of them. And there's coffee and cream. Well, I figure I got 5 minutes of tape. I can get this, and we could do all the other stuff on Monday. We'll get a bunch of tapes. It'll be the final part anyway.